Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today we want to share a super easy recipe for some fruit chutney that uses some fresh summer fruit. The list of ingredients is listed below, but you will need some type of fruit. Today I'm using nectarines. You will need butter, and I would not use olive oil. You'll need some kind of dried fruit. I'm using craisins today, some balsamic, salt, cinnamon, cloves, and diced onion. So let me show you how to make fruit chutney. To make the chutney, the first thing we did is melt some butter. We're going to cook the onions in it until they are soft, about 3 or 4 minutes, and then add the nectarines and some of the other ingredients. Right, the onions have cooked about 3 or 4 minutes. I don't want them to brown, I just want them to soften up. We'll add the nectarines. You can also use peaches. You can probably use plums. I've just never tried them. We're not going to add the seasonings at this point. We're going to add the balsamic and the cranberries. Alright, the nectarines and the craisins have cooked about 3 minutes. The nectarines are soft. I can just push them apart with my spatula, and the craisins have plumped up. So we'll take it off the heat now and add the other ingredients, the seasonings, and the last of the butter. Okay, I added the butter and the seasonings, and the butter glosses up the chutney and the seasonings flavor it really well. Okay, the chutney is ready. It's an easy way to use fresh nectarines or peaches in the summer, just with a few pantry ingredients. It's a great side dish for pork chops, probably a lot of other proteins. We just tend to always serve it with pork. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's Cook, y'all. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a blessed day, y'all. Bye.